Hello friends, today as you all know everywhere I think it is raining, even in our side, even in our place it is raining friends. We can see right away it is raining here in our place, and so here you can also see that it is full of rain and we don't need to put water in our flower pot. And also friends, it is flooded everywhere in our home. After whole night of heavy rain, our nearby river has been flooded. After the heavy rain and flood, our people nearby have came for fishing. I think they have caught some fishes. Okay, now at evening I came for walk. I want to see how beautiful our nature, and I want to show to you all. It is very good, clean. Okay, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can make you more video.